We'll guide you through how to find your Mailchimp API key. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Mailchimp's website. Log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of the dashboard and click on your profile icon. A menu will pop up, and you should select Account and Billing from the options available. This will take you to your account settings page. Next, look at the top menu and click on Extras. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select API keys. This is where you'll find all your API-related settings. If you've never created an API key before, you might see a message saying you don't have any. To generate a new one, look for the Create a Key button on the page and click it. Mailchimp will instantly create a new API key for you, and you'll see it listed below. Make sure to label the key appropriately so you can remember what it's for, especially if you're managing multiple keys. It's important to keep this key private and secure, as it provides access to your Mailchimp account. If you need to revoke access for any reason, you can simply disable or delete the key from this page. And that's how you find your Mailchimp API key. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.